Hey friends, welcome to FarmForce, your new destination for amazing harvests and agriculture technology. Sit back, relax, and join us in Taiwan's rice fields, where innovation transforms tiny seeds into golden grains. After 4 months, the rice fields turn golden. Love stories like this? Hit like, subscribe, and join the farming adventure. Enter the John Deere S790, a 625 horsepower giant. In southern Taiwan, it swallows up to 6.5 tons of rice per hour, gliding smoothly through mud. Real-time sensors constantly adjust speed, fan, and rotor to reduce grain loss and save fuel. With just one pass and hit subscribe, cuts, threshes, join our corner where farming stories meet seamless motion. But the show doesn't stop there. The Claas Lexion 8900TT with 790 horsepower charges into action. Its rubber tracks give superior grip on soft paddies near Taichung. This beast reduces harvest time by 35%, delivers cleaner grains, and keeps every kernel intact. And then comes the Perard Interben 46, the powerhouse grain cart. It hauls up to 18 tons and unloads in just 90 seconds, all while driving alongside the combine. No downtime, no wasted motion. Wide flotation tires protect the soil, while its high-speed auger keeps the flow smooth and steady. Once harvested, the grains head straight to the factory. Here, machines take over. Industrial cleaners remove stones, dirt, and dust. Next, a huller strips away the husk, and a polisher smooths the grains. This polishing step makes rice cook better, absorb water evenly, and turn into soft, fluffy meals. Packaging comes next. Bags of every size, from bulk containers to supermarket packs, are measured, sealed, and labeled. Each bag carries full traceability codes, guaranteeing freshness and safety for consumers around the world. In 2023, Taiwan produced over 1.5 million tons of rice. More than 91% stayed local, while the rest fed families across Asia and North America. From harvest to shelf, the journey reflects dedication, smart design, and modern agriculture technology. Every journey begins with a seed. Farmers select only the highest quality seeds, soak them in clean water, and sprout them in humid trays. The seedlings are placed on nursery trays filled with nutrient-rich soil, spaced carefully for balanced growth. Drop a 3 in comments, subscribe, and support Farming Stories. Meanwhile, the soil gets its makeover. Kubota tractors plow 15 centimeters deep, breaking up compact layers. Rotary tillers soften the surface, and laser leveling ensures only 1 centimeter variance, boosting seedling survival by 30%. After 10 days, seedlings are ready to move. Conveyor lines deliver trays to the field, reducing heavy lifting and keeping sprouts safe. Trucks then transport them for transplanting. Instead of bending over for hours, farmers use mechanical transplanters. Each seedling is pressed precisely into the soil, evenly spaced and perfectly aligned. Labor drops, efficiency soars. Weeks after transplanting, rice grows taller under Taiwan's subtropical heat. Farmers maintain shallow water to cool plants, suppress weeds, and protect seedlings. Without this vital step, young crops would quickly wither. For balanced irrigation, the Japanese MKS 4301FR cultivator moves at 6 kilometers per hour, carving precise furrows. This ensures water reaches every row evenly, boosting plant growth and keeping rice fields strong across the landscape. Farmers monitor pests with care. Instead of spraying blindly, pesticides are used only when needed, protecting crops while reducing chemicals. Fertilizer and water levels are fine-tuned for even growth. And now, the skies help too. Drones spray fields 5 times faster than backpack sprayers, cutting labor by 80%. In Taiwan's hot sun, farmers no longer walk for hours, they fly, ensuring safety and precision with every drop. Even the leftovers serve a purpose. Rice straw is recycled into compost, animal feed, and mulch. Nothing is wasted. It's farming in a full-circle, sustainable loop. From bumper crops to high-tech factories, from tiny seedlings to global exports, this is Taiwan's rice, driven by strength, innovation, and sustainable agricultural technology. If you enjoyed this journey, please like and subscribe to FarmForce. See you in the next video.